The 511 Performance Polo with the 511 logo is a new standard in high-performance polo shirts for men. The moisture management technology and quick-drying characteristics allow you to operate at peak levels while remaining cool, comfortable, and in control throughout your shift. This shirt was built from our proprietary SmartWeave fabric and offers snag, rip, and wrinkle resistance for a clean, neat appearance that lasts all day long. This shirt was built from 6.7-ounce jersey knit polyester and offers a prominent 511 logo at the chest. The gusseted sleeves offer freedom of movement. The pen pockets at the left sleeve offer quick convenience. Integrated mic clips keep you connected. The roll-resistant collar and traditional 3-button placket combine professional appearance with lasting comfort. The melamine buttons won't burn, crack, or melt. We've added bar tacking at major stress points, and this polo accepts embroidery and silk screening. This is the 511 Performance Polo with the 511 logo.